Good morning, Bird Gang. I hope all you guys are doing well. And we have another live event for FormGent lifetime deal. And I have a CEO, Yusuf, here with me. How you doing, buddy?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm doing great. So it's a evening for you guys, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and it's early morning for us. It's 10 a.m. and I'm super excited about this plugin. So let's dive in. I just want to make sure that we are live on Facebook, YouTube. I'm just going to make
Okay.
sure that everybody can hear us, and just double checking here quickly. Um, okay. So yeah, we are live on Facebook group. So how you doing, buddy? How's everything with you?
I'm fine. Everything is fine. What
I,
about
I,
you?
I'm good. I know you are a bit sick, and you requested to make this event quicker, but it is an
Yeah.
exciting product. It is a
Yeah,
good.
definitely is.
It is a good product. So we're gonna try our best. You wanna introduce yourself, your company behind it, and yeah, tell us about yourself and the company.
Yeah, sure. This is Yusuf. I am here working as a COO, like Chief Operating Officer, and we are the team behind Directories plugin, HelpGen, Legal Page, and directories is one of the best plugin for directories and only 20K active user in its niche, and we are the team behind WPWax and other products. And we have around 30 plus team member here. So I think that's all from me.
Okay, great. So it's very humble of you that you didn't brag too much about your plugin because I know the plugins directory is it's I have also used it, and I know you have a huge community who has bought this product and are successfully using and building directories. So you do have a good product behind, and, and I know a lot of people are using this product. Why build FormGen? Why did you guys build it? Like, because you have such a good plugin already, and then get into another
Yeah.
plugin.
Okay, so the from gent, the concept came from we are thinking like for WordPress industries, like everyone building from plugin from different, like creating it from scratch and completely a different view. But what we have done, and we think it differently, we think it like doing something core native, like that utilizing WordPress itself, like WordPress core Gutenberg-based framework, and we have utilized that framework to build FormGen. And utilizing this means like we don't add any extra script or anything that like that, and no heavy scripting. So we utilize Gutenberg framework, build the front end, and makes it super light so user can use it. And as it's Gutenberg based, like user can easily like whoever use WordPress, and Gutenberg is WordPress default. So uh, like if you can use WordPress like any post or any pages, you can use FormGen easily. And it doesn't mean Gutenberg means it doesn't work with any other like Elementor or any other page builder. You can easily use shortcuts or anything. So that's the reason we have built FormGen.
So
Like
so
unlike
what?
others, we didn't use or we didn't build it from scratch, and we just utilize the WordPress native builder.
Okay. So what my understanding is, it's when you compare to other plugins or form plugins, FormGen is basically when you install this plugin, you get the same feel as adding up blocks to your form. Rather than I have
Yes,
seen some of the forms, they have a different layout and it's on the different side. This is
exactly, exactly.
you're leveraging WordPress blocks to build form, which is not again the script, or it loads faster, and it's user friendly. Um, that kind of.
Yes.
Okay, all right, okay. So I get it. I think a lot of people are used to with, like, different sort of plugin, and I have seen a lot of people in WordPress community do talk about Gutenberg Builder and blocks, and how they are much user friendly, and they load faster, and it's customizable. You can customize whatever you want. So I see your approach, and I think that is the best approach compared to some traditional old plugins, form builders, where they use their own script and where they use their own different blocks that are not natively like WordPress blocks.
And on top of that, like it's WordPress default. So if you installed WordPress, it's automatically installed.
Perfect. Okay, so let's. You want to share the screen and show us the back end, how it looks, and what possibly can be done with those forms. It's a pretty straightforward plugin, and
Yes.
it's a form builder. And but in even in the forms, you can do a lot of different things now. You can do quizzes, you
Yes.
can do some kind of calculation, or like a mortgage calculator, and
Yes.
estimator, signature. So show us everything, like.
Yes, definitely. So let me share my screen first. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, let me just.
Okay, excellent. Okay, I already have installed the FormGent here because I know most of them already know how to do that. So I already installed the FormGent, and I also here I am also using the Pro version. So let me just go from scratch. So when you just click on all forms, you'll see we have three options, like user can create a from scratch, user can use a template, and user can also create from with AI. So creating an AI form is very easy. Like with AI, you can create classic form and as well as conversational form, both supported by AI. So let me start with Scratch first and show you the how the builder looks like. So I'm showing classic form first. So I'm just giving it a name. So here it is. So we just added that here because sometimes people forget to add the submit button. And
Okay.
you just see that all these are feels like WordPress native. So people who are used to on WordPress block editor, so they can feel it. Like, yeah, if you just see that we have 25 plus, I guess around 30. Like currently we have 28 fields. So more are coming soon. You have name field, email field, single text, multi-text field, and if I go with more advanced field like a repeater field, if you just add this particular field is very necessary. Like when you create a job application forms and you need sometimes people need to add more job related experience, or sometimes they need to create more educational background, like they have bachelor's degree, master's degrees or more. So in that case repeater field is super needed. So for example, let me give a name, job experience. So let me show you a bit how the repeater field work, because these are most advanced field. Adding a submit button. So if I just publish it and view, so you can see that people, those who have more experience, oh sorry, I did a mistake. I just write position and duration and forget to mention the company name. So we can do that. So how it's work, let me clarify that. Like people who have multiple position or multiple duration. So if I add, for example, project manager and duration 3, So I need another field, like for example, I worked as project product owner for 4 years. So you can do that. So that's how the repeater field work. Let me go back to again on the form. So I'm just showing here how the things are working here. So we have file upload fields, like user can easily upload files, and we have also digital signature field. These are actually very important and for job application and many other forms. And apart from this, we have different types of payment field, like PayPal, Stripe, and you can easily create any kinds of payment forms. You can also create quizzes from, like using page breaks and ratings field. And actually, we have more advanced fields. And if you just look over there, let me show you a bit. So you can add conditional logic. So for example, if someone wants to uh, job experience 3 to 5 years, then you need to move on another questions. So you can do it from here. And and just to clarify that, this is how it works. Like we have conditional fields, and uh, I will show you one by one. Like this is classic form, so just going to classic styles. So this is how you can create classic form. And from when you are ready to share the form, so we have design and share option. Like when you enable this, and yeah, it will be shared to others. And just you can do a lot of more customization here, like adding background, or setting logos, or use this as a whole background. So do you see how nice it looks like now? So this is how it looks like, the from sharing. And all this thing I'm talking about, the share portion, you can individually share that from. But if you want to share it like in a particular page and particular websites, then you can use iframe option or shortcodes. So let me go back to block editors, and again just showing few more advanced settings. Like we have general settings, sorry, from confirmation field. Like you can do three types of confirmation, like when user press the submit button, what you want them to do. Like you can create a custom success page. You can also redirect them to a different page. You can also redirect to outside of your website. And then comes to email notifications. You can set email notification from here. Like we have added more custom feature, like you can even create conditional email. Like if that fields response are this, then send email to that email address. That use cases this covers. And for developer or more advanced, we have webhook as well. And in webhook, you can also use conditional logics. And as I mentioned earlier, our from support quizzes as well. So you can if your form looks like a quiz, so you can share that here. Like you can enable quiz option, you can set grade. And uh, when you enable the quiz option, you can also customize your form confirmation message, like how the score will be counted, like what will user will view. So that's how the quizzes and scoring section work, and you can easily create quiz with scoring. So that's how our builders actually works. And we have uh, maybe I didn't show the integration part. So currently I don't have any integration enabled, so it's not here. I need to enable them from global settings. So let's go back. So now I'll move to template section. We have added around 30 plus templates, and we have planned to add more templates. Like our plan is to make them 1,000 plus. So we are working on that. So here you'll get like more or less, we try to cover all your needs like job application form, employee satisfaction form, even BMI calculator, sample size calculation. And we try to, initially we try to cover all the necessary forms that required on daily basis. So you can easily just like, if I say employee satisfaction form, I'm just click on import, create from, customize. So here is your employee satisfaction form. It's just created, and you can now customize this. Like, and when I say it, and each time I was repeatedly mentioned that we have used Gutenberg and we have utilized the Gutenberg. So these are the fields are Gutenberg default. So you can easily, like everyone knows how this customization, those who knows WordPress and he knows how this customization works, how the 100%, 70%, 5% works, how this works. So it's just default, so there's no learning curve actually. So this is how our templates are work. You can easily just insert them and you can share them. Just, for sharing, you can just use direct share with more customization, like using cover or use background image. You can also use background as a media, like from here. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like. So you can just easily copy the link here and open it in new tab. So this is how it will look like. So let me close that and go back to the FormGent again. And uh, let me show you creating a form with AI. So as I already show you the classic forms, let me show you how conversational form works. So I'll create a conversational form. So let's just take it from here, make a customer feedback form. So I'm just creating generate. So it's ready. You see, you know the concept of the conversational form, like single question per pages. So the user interaction is much better. And the super excited part for conversational form is that you can even save or collect incomplete form data. That's a very important feature. So no lead will be missed. So like, for example, if a user came here, completed this field and left. So, but you'll get these three field data. So it's a very important field to capture leads. So this is how our actually conversational form works, and I also show you how the AI works and the additional feature for conversational form. Let me show you where it's like. If you tap on, when you just enable this save incomplete data, it will save the incomplete from submission as well. So you can live track the users, what submitted or what question they entered, even they left the form or even they didn't complete the form. So let's go back. So we have Google Sheet integration, we have Mailchimp integration, we have Zoho CRM integration, Zapier, and Google Maps as well. Like if you want your sheet, your form response to submit on a different Google Sheet, you can do that. You can just simply connect Google Sheet, and you can connect your from data. And for Mailchimp, current use case is user can subscribe or unsubscribe through FormGent. And Zoho CRM is also Zoho integration. How it's work, like it's field mapping. You can map field with FormGent, and it will submit it to your Zoho CRM panel. And Zapier integration, Zapier is a huge thing. So once Zapier integration is done, you can automate your form in different ways. Like Zapier has more than 7,000 application in it. So once you integrate FormGen with it, you can do a lot of things with it. And I think that's all I have as a product demo and interface.
What about the webhook? I think if you're using a webhook, you can pretty much transfer any data, whatever is being entered
Yeah,
to
yeah.
anywhere.
Webhook, like, yeah, if you want to send it outside of from Gent, you can do that. So
Yeah.
those who are developers or have advanced knowledge, they can easily use webhooks.
Yeah, I think a lot of people like are like aware of webhooks and how they work, and it's pretty
Yeah.
straightforward concept nowadays, right?
Yes.
Even
Yes.
for the beginners, if you watch like a 5 minute or video, you will know how webhook works. So
Yes.
that is excellent. Um, I do have okay. So sometimes Facebook has been weird because I cannot read all the questions, but I want to go through few of the questions with you here,
Yeah. Sure.
and let me see if I can pull. Okay. Okay. So that's from James. Does it have a content restriction feature? I don't know why would you
Content.
want to restrict. Maybe condition logic would be the but the content restriction, it's that you put it on the page, not on the form, right? Or password protected form. There is probably should be, I think.
Okay. Uh, for password protected field, right now we don't have that features, but thanks for the questions. We are noting it down and definitely will bring that.
Yeah. So I think that I think might have that password. Okay. So I think you can always protect your form
Oh,
embedding
oh,
your.
I think he meant that. I think he meant capture issues. Like we have the security and protection. If you just look, if you just see my screen, we have honeypot protection, edge capture, and more.
Okay. All right.
You see my screen, like
Yeah.
you can
Uh,
easily
J-
connect those.
yeah, James. If you
I'm sorry
still
about that.
looking.
I didn't get his use case.
No problem. Even for me, it was a little bit. If this answer is not what you meant, please just message Yusuf directly or
Yeah, and
drop
we'll
him
do
an email.
continuity.
Uh, Let me see if we have more questions. Uh, uh, how about a form? How about your form gen plug? Okay, I'll just say it in my way. How about does it affect on the website performance?
Uh, I don't think so because we try our best to utilize the native
Yeah,
builders
yeah.
only.
If you are using
So
native
it's very lightweight.
lightweight, okay, and it is Gutenberg friendly, but you can
Yes.
use it on Elementor or whichever builder you got.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
yeah. For Elementor, we actually already have Elementor block for it,
mhm.
and for others builders, like if someone wants to use in TV or any other platform, they can use shortcuts. So it's
Okay,
not only that just it's built up on Gutenberg. It doesn't mean it doesn't work on other builders. It will definitely work because we can easily use shortcuts, and we have planned to bring more integration with other builders as well. So our from building will be in Gutenberg native, but those who use different kinds of builder, they can use that, no problem.
okay. We have a question from Mohan. Can we create condition field? If yes, is selected on the drop down or radio box, uh, then show field A and so forth.
Yeah, definitely you can do that.
We can do that. Okay. Um, can I insert my company logo in the form? Yes.
Yes, you can.
And
Yeah,
yeah,
as I show you earlier that from share field, you can use logo. Just let me show it again.
yeah,
So
please. Thank
just
you.
if you just click on any from and just design and share, you can use your logo here, like show logo, and you can just need to upload your logo here, and it will be shown. Let me see if I have any logo in my field.
Or you can share it from the media library if you have already something in there.
Yeah, so
Oh, nothing.
media library, it's fresh. Let me show
It's
you.
fresh.
Yeah, no problem. So it's stupid.
Because it's okay. Here you go. I got the form.
Okay, so here it is.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much. Do you have webhook to send data to other platform? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I have one more question. I think you have created a form, one of the form where if the form is not fully submitted, uh, it will you will still get
User
the
can
data
save.
incomplete
Yes.
form. Do you have?
Yes.
I know you did create it. Can we test it out just quickly to see if it's how does it look? Like
Yeah, sure, sure.
does the admin get the email or you have to manually go there and to check, or can you create a webhook? I just want to see how the data looks like,
Okay, let me show you.
because I think sometime I think obviously I would recommend to collect an email address first, and if the person is, if you got the email, then you got pretty much that's what you wanted,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So let me make sure it's turned on. So I'm just publishing it. Okay. How do you describe your recent experience with us? Very good. Next. How do you rate? Just next. So I just submitted to from data. Let's see.
Mhm.
So you see here it's completed data and incompleted data. So it's
Mhm.
showing that uh, I have
Okay.
just submitted two. So
Okay.
you see,
And okay, perfect. So can this be like come to me as a notification, like when someone submits the form and I admin get that email? So can this be done as a notification and a webhook?
yes, definitely. As
Okay.
I mentioned you earlier, you can set email notification, like custom email notification. All you need to do, you need to go to your forms, then click on forms and click on email notification. It's already there. One notification is already created. You can create multiple notification, like create an ad notification. You can give it a name for your remember, like sales team. So you can give your email a subject and which email address you want to send, and you can uh, write your message, like you can also from data like response ID or what kind of data you need to pass that from. So you can do all that from here. So apart from data, you can also send different others kinds of information to a specific email address. And another important part is we also have conditional email section here. So like if certain condition meet, then send email to that address. So you can also do that from here.
Okay. Okay. So okay, I get it. So it's basically if you have like for salon booking or anything like, and if they pick a certain staff, that I want to get my hair done with this uh, person, then that person will get the email. So I get it. So it's pretty cool. Um,
Yeah, and more advanced, I guess.
okay, so let me quickly share the deal page, and let's see. Give me 1 second, guys. Sometime I'm lost on because of there's
That's
so
pretty
many
common
tabs that
actually.
because of so many tabs are open.
Yeah, that's pretty common.
Okay. All right, guys. So this is a form gen deal. Like again, we said we did. These are very like highly negotiated price for only limited time, starting at $29 for single site, and we have two sites. I believe it's 10. Tier two is 10 sites, and we have the tier 3 for 109. Again, this is for a pro version, so you will get all the future updates and support for unlimited sites. Let me show you guys. So you'll get all the feature listed above, all the feature listed above, unlimited website, and it is for the pro version. So once you redeem it, you will have a lifetime deal for unlimited sites. So this is a bargain, guys. And again, if you do use a early bird coupon, which gives you 10% off, that will bring down the price to 98.10, and that's a bargain. Uh, in compared to other plugins, there are a lot of plugins out there. This one, it's Gutenberg friendly. They are using a WordPress block editor, so it's not very heavy. And the price. It's built by a team who has already have a good proven record. They have built directories, which is I think
Currently,
one of the best plugins. What they are looking for your feedback, a little bit of love, and if you have any ideas or integration you guys want to add, you reach out to the team. They are very helpful. They have, I believe you have what, 25, 30 employees, or how many employees you guys have?
the 30 plus, it's already 30 plus.
So they have a whole team behind. They are working continuously, and I'm hoping.
And one more thing, I just sorry for the interruption. We are coming on that WordCamp Dhaka as a platinum sponsor, so it's going to have on October 18 and 19. So
Perfect. So the team is from Bangladesh. Again, a lot of talent in Bangladesh, and a lot of popular plugins are built by people in Bangladesh. And again, it's a steal deal for $98. I don't think this will ever happen again, and most likely the pricing will be going up. Not during our campaign, but in general, the price will go up. And again, I'm not trying to create any FOMO. I'm just saying that this is something, it's highly negotiated price. So if you are in need of it, if you do want to support the founder, they create a good product, grab it while you can. That's about it, guys. I also want to mention a couple of things. We are actively trying to get the best deals for WordPress or any SaaS tool that are unique, better, and trying our best to get the best price for you guys. Sometimes it is not easy to find good tools. And FormGent, when I get to know about the FormGent, I was super excited because I know the team behind, the people behind are gonna keep building more products, making sure the product's working good. They have the team behind, they have the manpower, and it's just gonna get better. So again, look forward for the Black Friday deals, and we are going to do a big giveaway for our Black Friday launch. And if you do have any ideas, any suggestions, anything you want to us to add, please give us your feedback. Let us know. From Gen team, they are also want your feedback. They want some love. If you have any suggestion, feel free to reach out to them. Even their free plugin, it's a very generous limit compared to some paid plugins. Even in the free version, you will get a lot of stuff that other paid plugins are charging. So have a look, check it out, see if it fits your WordPress website. Any other last words before we end?
okay, so you want to hear it from me? The last
Yeah,
one.
why not? I would love to. I think everybody wants to hear from you. Why should people consider getting FormGen? Why should they? Because I think a lot of people already have Form plugins, and I think there's a huge opportunity for people to grab
Yes.
this deal for such a low price. And yeah, and I think the approach you have, it's much better than some other plugins. I'm not going to call any names, but I think
Yeah.
people can figure it out. But
Yeah.
the approach you guys have is much better, and I think that's something that you guys should be proud of it, and you should say it
Thank
openly.
you.
So go for
Yes.
it.
So all we need is we love from our customers, and we love to solve their problem, and we want to grow with them. And we build FormGen out of love for WordPress, and we try our best to utilize its default system. So, and the last point is again, we want to grow with our customers.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Yusuf. It was nice talking to you. Guys, if
Thank
you
you
have
so much.
any question, feel free to reach out. You can email us. You can reach out to FormGent. We are always available on Facebook because sometimes the time difference, we have to also sleep. And
Yeah,
FormGent team also have to sleep. So if there is any issue, just be patient. We will get back to you probably in 10 hours or sometime quicker, depend. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Enjoy. Yusuf, nice talking to you, buddy. Bye,
nice to
guys.
meet you. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Good day. Bye.